This is question 17 on page 773. It's test 7, section 3. It says, if P, R, and S are three different prime numbers greater than 2, and n equals P times R times S, how many positive factors, including 1 and n, does n have? Okay, so first we need to remind ourselves what a prime number is. So a prime number is any number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, so the lowest prime number, try to predict it. It's 2. It's not 1 because 1 is itself. So I think it's a little strange, but 1 is not considered prime. So 2 is the lowest prime number. Then 3. Then 4 is not prime because 4 has 2 as a factor. 2 times 2 is 4. So then the next prime number is 5. 6 is even, so it is not prime. 2 is the only even prime number. Then the next prime number is 7. Then a lot of people think that 9 is prime, but 9 is 3 times 3, so 9 is not prime. And then the next prime number is 11. Okay, so this helps us understand what a prime number is. Then in this problem, they want us to think about what n would be if it was a product of 3 prime numbers. So let's pick 3 of these prime numbers to help us think about this problem. And we can't pick 2 because it says the numbers are greater than 2. So let's say P is 3, R is 5, and S is 7. Okay, so N is P times R times S. So N is P times R times S. And then they want to know how many positive factors, including 1 and N has. So this is important, including 1 and n. You always have to pay attention to that because that will really change your answer. So we know for sure 1 and n are positive factors of n. We also know each of these individual numbers is going to be a factor because they are multiplied to give us n. And the other factors we'll have will be multiples of these 3 numbers. So we'll have P times R, P times S, and R times S. And the order for this doesn't matter. P times R is the same as R times P. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. And they're looking for positive factors. So we know these are all our factors because we're not going to bring negative numbers into this question. If you wanted to, you could carry this out by using these actual numbers, but you could also just do it with the variables as you see here.